Glitzy Glam, and
Start over. Go.
Hi, this is Carrie with Glitzy Glam. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel and all my videos, subscribe. I would love that very much. But I'm going to do this linen closet. As you can see, I do already have it organized, and it was a good idea at the time, but I'm going to see if I can improve on this project, and I'm going to buy all the products from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, this is my organized linen closet. I did do a lot of research on some other YouTube videos and Marie Kondo style of folding sheets, and I did watch those videos, so I do have to give her credit for the sheet folding technique that I used here. And here at the top I have memorabilia and blankets from when I had babies 20 and 18 years ago, and on this shelf the pillowcases and pillow shams that I folded in Marie Kondo style. Beige sheet set and empty basket. This is for the brown sheet set that's on my bed. I figure each basket will have a whole sheet set, and then I just have some extra white sheets and pillowcase, some beige pillowcases. So that's that shelf. And then down at the bottom is a container full of blankets. I did move the cleaning items that I had hanging on this door and down at the bottom. I did relocate them to a spot inside the garage that I will organize next and show you where those have been relocated. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with my nice and neat linen closet, and I hope you like it. Again, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.